Well, we're getting in breaking news that a move that could perhaps end the political deadlock in Uttarakhand with the Supreme Court ruling that a floor test will now take place on the 10th of May. So a date has already been decided. This after the centre did go up to the Supreme Court saying that they're ready for a court-monitored floor test. And now we know that 10th May is the date that has been allotted for the floor test to happen to prove the majority. In fact, what we also know is that the 9 disqualified MLAs will not be allowed to participate in this floor test. So that's the latest bit of news that we're getting in right now. India Today's Ashar Khan joins us for more on this. Ashar, you have been tracking the Uttarakhand crisis very closely. How will this impact now, both the governments, in fact, the BJP and the Congress, with the 9 MLAs being disqualified to participate in this floor test?
Well, at the moment, it's a one-up for Harish Rawat, the outfit chief minister of Uttarakhand. In fact, that is what the Congress party plea was, that these rebel MLAs should be disqualified and not allowed to vote. And after that, we've seen that on the 28th of March only, Harish Rawat had paraded these MLAs. That was around 34 MLAs in front of the governor. So, if these 9 MLAs are disqualified, the strength of the House automatically goes to 62, and Harish Rawat has been claiming he's given a letter that he has 34. So at the moment, it seems that it's a one-up for the outfit chief minister. We've been seeing that earlier on, the central government was opposed to any floor test. What they were saying was that the government does not exist, and it has already fallen on the 18th of March when, according to the centre and BJP, the appropriations bill had not gone through. So clearly, it is a different stance being taken by the central government.
Okay, the apex court there adding that the 9 disqualified Congress MLAs will not be allowed to vote in the floor test. And the date that has been decided is the 10th of May. Ashar, thanks so much for joining us with all the updates.